Today we are exploring the Tarpon Springs splash pad and surrounding area located at 508 Live Oak Street, Tarpon Springs, Florida. While exploring, we found a unique place to cool off. This park caters to the kids and also the furry kind too. We'll get to that part later. The main spray ground, and of course the huge sign, is what you notice first about this park. There's an area that caters to small children and an area for the older children too. The rules state outside the spray ground that the main intended users are for children 2 to 12 and all adults must be with the child while inside, so no adults without children. This makes it feel a little safer. The whole spray ground is fun. Also, it is free courtesy of the city of Tarpon Springs and it's open 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. so there's plenty of time to cool off and have fun. I love the whole theming of the place, especially the replica of the lighthouse from Anclote Key. Also, the colors are nice, bright, and cheerful. It really makes the place really fun. The benches under the shade are first come, first serve, and they fill up fast. My advice is to bring your own fold-up chair. There's a safety gate around the perimeter. This helps keep the smaller kids from slipping away while they're having fun. On the way to the rest of the park is a mini library. Wait, there's actually 2 mini libraries. Bonus. You never know what you're going to find in there. If you aren't in the mood for a spray ground or it's winter, you can still enjoy this place. There's a regular playground right next door. The park is mostly shaded and lots of fun. There's also a picnic pavilion and plenty of benches to keep an eye on the little kids or just to enjoy the park. There's a kayak launch here, but if you don't have one, you can still get a great view of the water just from the dock. Please forgive the shakiness, my camera person is only 11.
Hey, I heard that, buddy. If you have any suggestions for new videos, please leave them in the comment section and please be nice.
Thanks, Ella. After the kids and the adults are entertained, there's another playground just for the dogs. They have a large dog area and a small dog area. They both appear to have adequate amount of shade and they have plenty of benches and watering stations here too. Too bad we didn't bring our doggies on this visit. If you're looking for a place that appeals to children, adults, and dogs, this is definitely the place. Well, I hope you enjoyed exploring with us today and hope to see you on our next destination.